Hello! Welcome to DriveLab. Thank you very much for choosing us. Here you will be prepared for each driving lesson with a short video. Please watch the sequences carefully so that you are ready for your driving lesson. This will save you valuable time at the driving school. Now, let's get going. Let's start with the settings of the car. First, you adjust the seats. Use the controls on the side of your seat. Here you first adjust the height of your seat. With the same button you can move the seat forward and backward. You should be able to press down on the accelerator pedal without stretching your leg all the way through. Next comes the backrest. Adjust it so that you sit upright and comfortable. The backrest also gives you support in case you need to apply maximum pressure on the brake pedal during emergency braking. Now the steering wheel should be at about the height of your wrist. If not, you can adjust the steering wheel here. Now turn the scroll button up and down with your left thumb to adjust the height. If you press the button to the left or right, you can move the steering wheel closer to the driver's seat or further forward. Next, adjust the outside mirrors. Go to Vehicle Quick Control Mirrors. Now select the left mirror and adjust it with the left scroll button. Correctly adjusted, you will see a little bit of your vehicle and at least 100 meters to the rear. Then do the same with the right mirror. Finally, you can adjust the inside mirror so that you can see the whole rear window. The operation. On the left side, you have the blinker, which blinks 3 times when you touch it, or blinks when you press down hard on the left or press up hard on the right. After turning, the blinker should stop by itself. By tapping in the opposite direction, it can also be switched off manually. If you push the lever forward, you can switch on the high beam. For the headlight flasher, you can pull the lever briefly. This can, for example, replace the hand signal at night. The light is always on automatically while driving. If you want to switch it on manually, you can switch on the low beam or parking light here. When you leave the car, the automatic mode is switched on again. If the view is considerably reduced due to the weather, you can first switch on the lights here and then switch on fog lights and rear fog lights. Speaking of weather, the windshield wiper also turns on automatically. If it doesn't react for a long time, you can simply press this button to activate it. To operate the wiper manually, you can use this button to switch on the wiper while stationary and adjust it from slow to fast. By pressing the button for a long time, the windshield wiper washing system can be operated. When the vehicle is restarted, the automatic mode is active again. Let's get to the fun part, the driving. Buckle up! Press the brake and pull the gear lever on the right all the way down to engage forward gear. Now slowly press the accelerator pedal to accelerate. Hold the steering wheel sideways and look in the direction of travel. When steering, hold the steering wheel outwards and try to reach for it early. Don't concentrate too hard on the steering, but rather on your eyes. Your driving school will let you know immediately if you do something wrong. To stop, you can press the brake real gently and aggressively. If you need to brake suddenly, you shall of course press the brake pedal with full force. This also needs to be practiced, as incorrect braking is a common cause of accidents. To go backwards, you can push the lever all the way up and orientate yourself backwards over the middle. Press the accelerator pedal gently and drive backwards at walking pace at most. That's for it now! I hope you enjoyed this little introduction. If you have already had your first experience on the road, please let us know at the beginning of the driving lesson so we can customize each lesson individually. We wish you a good trip!
Probieren wir es mal.